Good evening. My name is David Browning, and I'm candidate for the United States Congress from the 6th District of Missouri. And I want to talk to you this evening about something that's near and dear to my heart, and that's the Missouri Court Plan. The Missouri Court Plan is a scheme of selecting judges that applies in this district to Jackson, Clay, and Platte counties. All of the counties elect their judges. In Jackson, Clay, and Platte, judges are appointed by a special commission that selects from candidates and gives 3 of them to the governor, and either the governor chooses or at a set period the committee chooses one of the 3. Well, that sounds like a good idea. The ABA approves of this. The Missouri Bar will be glad to tell you so. And the ABA is now pushing for something resembling the Missouri Plan for the selection of federal judges. All right. I'm a trial lawyer. I'm a divorce lawyer. It's what I do. I've been a divorce lawyer for 32 years. I'm located at Independence, Missouri, and I live in the 6th District. And I'm telling you that the Missouri Plan was an ill-conceived and bad idea when it was originally conceived, and it remains an ill-conceived and bad idea today. The Missouri Plan is based on the assumption that you are stupid. The idea is that you couldn't possibly pick a good person to make a decision about your life because you don't understand the legal system. Well, that might be true, but it's not true that you can't learn to understand the legal system. And it is not true that you cannot, after some minimal observation, choose which judge you would prefer to have make decisions about your life. The assumption is that normal people simply are too ignorant to be able to rule their own lives. And that, my friends, is exactly what's wrong with the Missouri Plan. There is no noticeable difference in the quality of justice between those counties that are on the Missouri Plan and those counties that are not on the Missouri Plan. You will hear people argue why we can't have a change from the Missouri Plan. That will cause statewide elections, and there will be all kinds of money exchanging hands to get judges into office. Well, truth of the matter is, the Missouri Plan only covers 5 counties in the state, and we haven't had a corruption problem like they describe arise in any of the other 113 or so counties. You know, it's a lie. It's a lie. All right. Then what would Dave propose? I don't have a problem with some limited type of Missouri Plan for the Court of Appeals and the Supreme Court. But I would require that to be able to be on a panel for the Court of Appeals or for the Supreme Court, one must have been elected a trial judge and stood the test of time in one's own county. You will hear many people arguing that experience is not really necessary to be a trial judge. And then we have to have the Missouri Plan so we'll get experienced people. But the truth of the matter is that these commissions have appointed individuals who have never tried a case in their lives, who have never represented either the state, a corporation, or any other human being in anything even so minor as a simple speeding ticket. The Missouri Plan is merely a camouflage to convince you that you should look the other way when it comes to the responsibility for the system of justice, and that you should turn it over to people who know better than you. Or put another way, you should turn that function over to your betters because you're not good enough. Well, I don't agree. I think judges at the trial bench, that's the Associate Circuit and Circuit bench, should be elected by their friends and neighbors who know who they are. And saying that is heresy. I want you to know that. And I want you to think about it a lot, and when the next time judges come up, vote no. I don't care how good they are. They are creatures of a system that is based on the fundamental idea that you're too stupid to make a decision. And the only thing stupid about that is keeping it. Thank you very much. I'm Dave Browning, and I hope I've remained your candidate for United States Congress.